Alright, so now let's take a look at question 10. So it is actually question 10, but again, the question number is a little bit messed up, so it is written as question 9. But then it's actually question 10 of the basic exercises. Well, you might think that this question is not really basic, but actually, it is just making use of the knowledge point that we have learned in this lesson, which is like the overlapping area is the unshaded area. So what does it mean? It means that when I can add two parts of this square up to a whole, then if there is any overlapping, the overlapping area is going to be the unshaded part or the uncovered area. Okay, so now we can see that there are different sections in this square. Let's say I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. All right, so I'm just going to name them as these 8 different parts, A to H. So we can now see that I can have two triangles ADN and MDC as the half models of this square. So we know that the area of triangle ADN is equal to the area of triangle MDC, and both of them is going to be half the area of the square ABCD, which means that if I add them up, ADN adding the area of triangle MDC, it would be the same as the area of ABCD. So now, using these sections that we have, we know that ABCD, or this whole square, is going to be the sum of all these 8 sections, right? So A adding all the way to H. And as for ADN, as for the triangle ADN, which parts does it involve? It involves D, E, and F. So we can say that this is D adding E adding F. And what about triangle MDC? Triangle MDC is consisted of B, E, and G. So we are adding B, adding E, adding G there. All right now, so we can see that the overlapping part is E. Using the overlapping equals uncovered. So how does it work? Basically, we can just take away the same terms that we have on both sides of this equation, right? So B, B, G, G. But then we can see that we have already eliminated the E on the right-hand side. So all we have left on the left-hand side now is E. And on the right-hand side, we have A, C, and H. So it means that section E is going to be equal to section A adding section C adding section H. So now we are looking for the area of the shaded quadrilateral BMQN, which is C, right? That's the area of BMQN. And what about H? H is 12. As we can see from this diagram here, H is 12. And what about A? A is 15. And what about E? E is 51. So we have 51 equals 15 adding the area of BMQN adding 12, which means that the area of BMQN is equal to 51 take away 15 take away 12. So it should be 24. All right, so the area of BMQN is equal to 24.